In this video, I'll discuss Bitcoin's hold at 11,000 and why one billionaire investor thinks this is only the beginning. In fact, he's so confident in BTC, he has 20% of his portfolio in Bitcoin. Lastly, Vitalik has some harsh words about DeFi. Are you careful with your own crypto? After Bitcoin's recent breakout, it did have a brief dip back to 10,500 and then sharply bounced back above 11,000 once again. This is extremely positive as a previous hard resistance 10,500 for Bitcoin has now turned into a solid support. Now Bitcoin looks to consolidate at this range until it is ready to move higher. The next logical place for Bitcoin to hit will be around 11,500 and then next 12,000. In the meantime, some of the liquidity has flown back into altcoins. BTC dominance have dipped a little, and today is a clear example of recovery day for altcoins as most are in green. Some standouts for today: XRP is up almost 8% and yields is up 7%. Recently, I said the recent jump with Bitcoin and gold was due to fears of inflation, as both jumped up roughly around the same time, and both have seen tremendous moves over the last week. Billionaire investor Mike Novogratz also agrees. Mike Novogratz, the founder of Galaxy Digital, said on Tuesday that Bitcoin could be at 14,000 in the next 3 months and can easily reach 20,000 by year end. The reason being, the liquidity pump stays on. Great bubbles usually end with policy moves. It doesn't look like the Fed is going to raise rates. The liquidity story isn't going to go away. We're going to get a big stimulus. Now, during this interview, Novogratz did say that he was beginning to see institutional investors move into Bitcoin, but they faced a learning curve unlike gold. To quote, "Gold has been around for 3,000 years. It's pretty easy to buy. There's an adoption game in Bitcoin that you don't have in gold. I like them both." And he isn't kidding about liking both. Novogratz revealed that he has 20% of his net worth and 5% of his net worth in gold. Unlike other billionaire investors who have said they have 1 or 2% of their net worth in BTC, Novogratz has 20%. Lastly, with DeFi's recent pump, many analysts are believing blind followers are in for a rude awakening. Since Bitcoin's rally, DeFi tokens have plunged sharply off their recent highs. Kevin Ko, co-founder and CIO of Spartan Group, expects DeFi's downside correction to continue further. When everything is going up, people don't think about risks. When asset prices go down, everyone will try to get out at the same time, creating a downward spiral. That's why we advised against trying to chase after unproven lower cap DeFi assets. What he is describing is the mob mentality, and it happens often in the crypto space. One minute everyone thinks DeFi is great, and the next they could be moving on to the next hot thing. Vitalik has a different viewpoint about DeFi. When asked about concerns about DeFi, Vitalik answered, "I think a big one is just that a lot of people are underestimating smart contract risk. DeFi is still fine, but don't act like it's a place where you should advocate for a lot of regular people to put their life savings into." And Vitalik isn't wrong. Earlier this year, there were a few bugs that led to millions of dollars lost and network shutdowns. The lesson is, be careful with your own crypto. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe to the channel for more news, updates, and my live stream on Friday, 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time.